circles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go.
Hope you guys are doing good. So today is Monday, quite a lazy Monday, if I must add. Quite a lazy Monday for me today. I didn't create content today at all, but I created content yesterday and the day before, so I'm good. And I'm literally creating content right now, vlogging. I mean, the content creation never ends, right? But I just really want to quickly unbox a few items on camera. This is the souvenir bag that we got from the 40th birthday party I went for in my 2 vlogs ago, I think. I have taken a peek into what is inside the bag, but I really just wanted to show you guys what it is. This is what is inside the souvenir bag. This is what they gave to almost everybody in the hall, and this is something that I have been wanting to get. Like, I just never really got around to getting it for myself. I don't know why, but it's a shake and take. It's for like making smoothies, this little blenders that you use to make smoothies and juices and all of that. So I was super excited when I saw this in the bag. Okay, so I haven't used it at all because I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So this is what the motto looks like. It's green. I love the color. It's actually really cute. So I think this works as a blender container as well as a cup, because I can see a cover for the cup here. So I feel like when you're done blending, you can remove this and then attach the cover. Pretty genius idea. And they gave 2 of this, so I think this one in the box, they are like 2. Yeah, so there's a spare one inside the box as well. I think this is a very lovely souvenir gift. I don't want to know how much they spent on these to give everybody. You guys saw how massive that hall was and how well attended the party was, so imagine that everybody got this. My mom also got this, but they also gave her a clock, a very cute clock, if I might add. Not like our regular clocks that we just buy in traffic and all that. It's a really cute iron cast clock. Very cute. And I was even saying I was going to ask her, beg her for the clock, but when I went to her house a couple of days ago, they've already mounted the clock in the dining area. So I'm like, all right, there goes my beggy. But I'm really excited about this, and I feel like this will enable me to just be juicing more and making smoothies more. It's a while I made my smoothie packs, guys. Like, I stopped making that smoothie packs a few weeks back, so I have to get into making my smoothie packs again because now it's easier. Before, I used to use like my regular blender at home, but this is going to motivate me more, all right, to make all of that. So this is how it's going to look when you're blending. It's really cute. I can't even lie, I really love this. I'm going to look for a nice place in my pantry to put these. Then also I have this box from Femish. I've talked about this brand before. I got some loungewear from them a few months back, I think, and I know that you guys really patronize the brand because I ordered something from them, though not a lounge set this time around. It's like a shorts and shirts set that I ordered from them, and the lady was like, she watched my review on YouTube, and as a way of saying thank you, she was going to add me some things to my order, and I'm just like, okay. So this is the box. Might I just add that I love the packaging. The last time I ordered, it didn't have this packaging, so it's really cute. And open it from here like this. Oh wow, interesting. So I ordered this yellow striped shirts and short set I saw on their page. It's just for like casual outings, you know. Can dress it up with heels, wear it with sneakers. This is what it looks like. You guys, if you've been following like Instagram trends, you will know that this pajamas trend, there's a pajamas trend going on. So you have like proper outing wears that look like pajamas. They have that pajamas vibe, but they are proper outing wears, and I've become a sucker for them. That's why I've been buying a lot of that. So when I saw this one and in this color, I was like, I need this, I need this. I love it so much. Oh, it's so pretty. A pair of shorts, and I like that the pair of shorts is elastic. So yeah, I can't wait to rock this. Like, I need like a casual garden party to go to. See guys, I like party. I like party. I need like a casual party or a casual hangout to wear this to. So cute. Let me hang this on one of my hangers now and put it in my wardrobe. So she added like two loungewears to my order, guys. Oh, Wami, thank you so much. Wow. She put one in my favorite color, pink. My favorite. My favorite color, pink. Wow, this is so thoughtful. This is the shirts of this one. That's the shorts. Oh wow. Then this one is the same thing but in white. More white can be hard to maintain, especially for like loungewear, so we shall see. This is the shirt in white, and this is the shorts as well. So I'm happy about this. I have two extra loungewears that I did not even buy, but thank you so much, Wami. Thank you so much. I'm happy to add this to my loungewear collection. Okay. Guys, go check out Femish. I've bought loungewear from them before. If you want like affordable loungewear, you know, between 4K and 6K 7K, around that range, they have a lot, like a whole lot, a very huge range of loungewear. And yeah, I'm excited about this. So go check them out, guys. I will leave their handle again on the screen. Check them out and tell them that Alma sent you, as always. All right,
much later.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me.
just got back home. Whew, I'm tired. What a day. Let me show you guys all that we went grocery shopping. So let me show you guys everything that we bought. So we have bananas. This banana was like 600 naira or something. Hobby has already started eating out of it. See, it was bigger than this, but he has eaten like a couple of fingers already. We went to H Medics. Got a couple of things, mostly things for Mia Rose. Mia Rose is the one that eats our money in this house the most. Like, she eats our money the most. We got her Kellogg's Rice Krispies because she loves this so much. It's so funny how Kellogg's stuff are now super expensive in Nigeria, but I was still able to find this for like 2,900. Other variants like fruit and fiber, Frosties and all that are like 4,000 naira plus. Thankfully, Kellogg's is 2,900. Still a lot of money, but my child loves it. What do I do? Got her pick 1, 2, 3 milk. These are mostly like snacks that she takes to school. So I got her some of this to add to her snack box. She likes biscuits that have filling in them, so I got a couple of different flavors of this one that has like filling. All of this is just basically for school. I really don't understand why kids love this stuff, but Mia is obsessed with Munchies, all the flavors. So I got her a couple of, I think I got her 2 flavors because the ones we have at home, she has run out of them. So yeah, kids love these things. A lot of kids that I know love this Munchie stuff. Oh, the biscuits are meant to be here. And then the Munchies is supposed to be here alone. Okay, let me switch. Okay, that's better. picked up some packs of this Welch fruit snacks. They're like gummies. If I know they're like gummies, they are gummies. And Mia is obsessed with gummy bears. If you've been watching her, she's obsessed. So I just picked up like 4 or 5 for her to snack on for the next couple of days. I actually ordered this in a carton on Jumia, but it hasn't arrived yet. It makes more sense with buying it in cartons and putting it in her lunch pack every day to school. So yeah, these are really nice and they are made with real fruits, so healthy as well. Got Milo. Let me know if this happens to you guys where you live, but like sometimes I go to stores to buy provision, and in terms of Milo, I only see this smaller pack and the very big size. That medium pack I hardly even see these days, so we now had to buy like this pack, 2 of these small packs, because I didn't see the medium one to buy. Stocked up on some of my cleaning products. This one is the kitchen cleaner by Astonish. Love it. And then this one is the antibacterial surface cleaner, also by Astonish. I love this, love this, love this. Got some washing soap. And then got Mia's toothpaste. This is the one I use for her. This one is the Colgate anti-cavity toothpaste for kids 2 to 5 years old. This is the one I use for Mia Rose. I got her a new toothbrush as well. This one's also from Colgate, and I got it for her in pink because I know that she loves pink, so yep. Then I got seedless grapes for her as well. This is the fruits that I give her to take to school, so I just slice them up and give her a bunch of these every day to school. Yes, you are sleeping. Are you awake? Are you awake?
How are you?
You want banana? You want banana, your favorite. Mia has gone from hating bananas to loving the heck out of bananas. Like, she loves bananas so much these days. Don't you? Look at that sleeping face. Mama, I missed you, girl.
Where are you sleeping?
I missed you, my child. I missed you. Few hours away from me and somebody will miss you. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing good. Today was crazy, guys. Like, see, today was a lot, but I won't let you guys in on all that I got up to today. Probably in maybe my next vlog or the vlog after my next vlog. I'm not even sure at this point, but you guys will definitely see whatever it is I have been up to in the next vlog or the vlog after that, most likely. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed watching this very easy, calm vlog. There was no partying in this vlog, there was no outing in this vlog. It was just basically, you know, just lounging at home, keeping my home, just doing stuff, you know, basically at home, because I haven't been going out, honestly, in the last 1 week plus. I haven't actually been going out. So anyways, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, guys. We are supposed to be 20k by now. What's happening? Okay, we are supposed to be hitting 20k. all right, so hit that subscribe button, comment down below, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed, share the video on your stories on Instagram, your Insta stories. Share that you are watching this vlog. Okay, tag me and I will definitely repost. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Bye.
I get unstable. I push you back.